Krishna Prema Padayate Krishna Krishna Chaitanya Namani Gaurakrishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare. Today, group of women Vaishnavas masters, all are present. Now, Gaudiya, this Ragatmi, Rambasi, Sridhar, this house here places. He is morning to evening, is on the duty, Harinam and Hariseva. And without his Harinam and Hariseva, he can do anything more. In this world, he is Nishkinchan or Kinchan. He is staying here day and night doing kirtan. And after morning time, is this jungle to collecting some banana leaves, banana flowers, and this loki, pumpkin, any sabji. This collecting jungle has many leaves and sharks. It will take and go market in Mayapur. There is selling. And then little bit is half is Ganga is puja and Brahmins for Bhakta for giving. Half paisa is taking, is maintaining for. Also is offering bhoga and Vaishnava Bhakta devotee, anybody is giving a little bit taking. And complete day and night doing Harinam Sankirtanam. Mahaprabhu little bit is now little young, he is going market, he is going shop, all shopkeeper near, everybody is near, going and then there too he is collecting and taking everything. But Sridhar near is going, then Mahaprabhu by force is telling, you giving this, no asking, taking and going. One day Sridhar is saying, this is not good, you are Brahmin son, you are very founder and very scholar, you are acharya, tutor and principal, everything, but why breaking etiquette? I am only poor Brahmin, poor person. I am market come and still selling, and after is maintaining. He says, I don't know anything. My choice with is anything I like, I take it. Then say no. Fighting, say no. Mahaprabhu by force taking, he is by force to pulling. Say no giving. Say no, why not giving? I am taking. Giving money, no. Nothing giving. Why giving? You are not businessman. You are offering yourself is God near and Hari Guru Vaishnava near. So then why I am giving pay for you? You are mine, everything is mine. You are mine, then you are everything mine. Why are you paying you and keeping distance to me and throwing distance to me? Your everything is mine. I said, no, this is not a good idea. I am serving Ganga, serving Vishnu and doing Kirtan, Bhakta Seva. Say, I am Vishnu. Say, don't Ganga is my wife. Say, don't tell like, oh, you are not afraid? A Brahmin son, how can you telling this? I am telling truth. You don't know me. Okay. I say, okay, you promise every day coming, one thing is giving only. Banana flowers, yeah, loki, yeah, sack, one thing, not all, not at all. Say, okay, one thing is giving, but broken, old, and rubbish, and you are giving, no. My choice is one thing is taking. Bhakte dribya prabhu kali kali khai. Abhakte dribya prabhu uloti na chahe. Any bhakta devotee's heart has service for desire, and by force is Guru Vaishnava stealing and taking, Bhagavan taking. No giving, then by force taking. Not hearing. You like, okay, I am not giving. He said, no, I am taking. How can not give? And many personages of Bhakta, they are very property of police, many things. They are not looking. They are not taste. He was the baker. Then Sridhar is disturbed, mindly sometimes, but he is happy. Mahaprabhu not coming, then he is unhappy. Coming, then by force he is taking, then he is happy. But he is telling, why are you taking like and nice things he is taking, loki and banana flowers, anything he is taking and going. And give Sachimata. This is definitely cooking and offering bhoga, this is I am taking only. Okay. Then sometime after, Mahaprabhu one day within Kirtan party, he came here. Sridhar thinking, Baba, big Sankirtanam, Gadadhar Pandit, and all are came, and Mahaprabhu here is starting Kirtan. Kirtan time, Gadadhar Pandit, Sridhar house inside is hiding, and he bamboo stick with is making this straw hut. There Mahaprabhu, Gadadhar Pandit hiding, and pillar with is like this, giving support and sitting, doing Kirtan. This Kirtan, these places came, everybody like is feeling, now all came is this Vrindavan, and where this Shiva Kunja service center, and Mahaprabhu say, I am very thirsty, but he has no any pot and water, broken on a clay pot, there to Mahaprabhu taking water, Baba, all are, Sridhar say, oh, I am today is finished. No, you are came Brahmin son and drinking my water, I am only useless person. Also, he is where sitting Mahaprabhu, no any seat and asan, he has broken some cloth with his sewing, making his gudali, and called his quilt, for winter season little wearing. Mahaprabhu sitting there. And Mahaprabhu, Sridhar glory is starting. Say his name Sridhar, say meaning Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmi with him, everybody don't know, I know, he is very rich. One day I am showing everybody. He is digging his house and there is hiding everything. He is not giving anybody. I am giving announcement, all are catching him. He is near a lot of people. He cannot collecting in this mundane anything. He has spiritual everything. Therefore he is very wealthy. All are catching him. And he is near to coming everything. Meaning pure bhakti yoga, this service mode. Yesterday class I told like, this greediness where from coming. Anybody not greedy for service for God, then you giving ordinary people near, serving them, following them, they are to, you lost your everything. Ordinary mundane desire coming. And he is greedy. He cannot balance everything. Mundane. No collection mundane. All spiritual collection. Morning to evening his collection is spiritual. Then he is near his came, his places, he came touching these places, then spiritual energy coming. Spiritual taste coming, spiritual strength coming, power coming, greediness coming. Therefore Mahaprabhu bringing everybody to spiritual greediness, greedy, how will be. Therefore Mahaprabhu start Kirtan, and Kirtan time Gadadhar Pandit senseless, and this pillar is happening, and pillar is broken and is fallen, and senseless. Crying, not stop. Heart is melting. How is Sridhar? How is possible? He is in this world is came in Maya, not touching, not catching, not looking. Everything is collecting the Mahaprabhu. This God love for his balance. Oh, then after Mahaprabhu telling all Bhakta devotees, all are rolling this Shiva Sangan, Siddharangan, all rolling, and Das is marrying his body. Today's life is successful. Nityananda Prabhu dancing like his 20 meters. He dancing, his fly is like air is flowing like. Then this places Mahaprabhu doing Sankirtanam too much, and after he's gone back here to, then he's telling Shiva Pandit house, Sapta Prahariya Bhav, telling, hey, calling Sridhar, where is Sridhar? Now Sridhar is king, looking, Navagana, Sam Kalevar, Nandakishore Natavar. Oh, he's looking and he's painting, he don't know. Saying, Sridhar, oh, you are senseless. Mahaprabhu giving hand, come, Mine came. Mahaprabhu embracing and taking lap like Sudama Vishnu, more than Sudama. Sudama is Dwarka, these followers, but he is followers of Gajendra Sundar. After Sridhar, say, Prabhu, you forgave me. I am did many things wrong with you. Every day I am fighting, and every day I am abusing and hating you, and all time I am arguing with you. Prabhu, you forgive me. I can understand. I am small person. Prabhu, you by force, you taking my everything, but I am not try to giving. Then you forgive me. Mahaprabhu said, you are my life to life. You are my near and dear Shiva. How can you be distance from far away? I am now definitely with you and you are with me. After Siddhar, Mahaprabhu never going more market. Siddhar is bringing every day Mahaprabhu for all nice things collecting and giving Sachimata. Sachimata cooking. Mahaprabhu last day going sannyas for evening time. Siddhar is bringing one big loki, very thin, very thin, and making dudh loki. Loki making and cooking with his milk. Then it's called sabji. No haldi giving, tamarind, no chili. Only little sugar, little pure ghee, and this coriander, cumin seed, and little salt with this cooking. Oh, loki is like will be more than this amrita, nectar. Mahaprabhu, this is taking after gone sannyas. Siddhar is morning is hearing. Siddhar, say, Prabhu, one poor person, old person, you left me. Prabhu, you took sannyas. Now I am serving him. Who is accepting my by force my everything? My service for nobody now present. How? And he is like living body. He is very big person. Anybody serving, then relation. And then they are not serving, then separation. This Radharani and Brajdevi is mood. Now Sivas and Siddhar, too much suffering, and Mahaprabhu giving darshan and telling Siddhar, I am never distanced to you. You are continuously Sachimata present. You are Sachimata's for giving. She is cooking, she is offering me. I am every day I am coming and I am taking your prasadam. And she is every day Sachimata. Then this bhoga left prasadam Ishan and Siddhar is giving every day. And this prasadam which is sometimes staying. After some days within Kirtan, he disappears. Nobody finding him. Mahapurush Parikar, this Siddharaman. This places that greatness coming for service. Gurudev telling this is service center, Seva Kunja. This places too. Mahapurush Seva, Gupta Vrindavan, Rajesh Seva for Adhikar, had to get it. Therefore Prabhupada Sasi Thakur time, this area and 90 acres land, all is Mayapur, Chaitanya Math property. Thakur Bhakti Vinod telling this will be one day big service center. Now ISKCON is this area like 80, 90 acres land they have. Some Muslim acquiring some here and there lost. This area, all time you are looking vegetables growing, banana, anything automatic, no any need cultivating and no farming. In this area too, anything taking, they saying this Brajaprem and Brajabhakti getting. Therefore Guru Varga many times came. Mahaprabhu 500 years complete that time. Here is arranging big program, big feast. Like 60,000 people came. All Gaudiya Math came. Gurudev inviting everybody and this mango garden and this area, big feast and program. Khichdi and kheer, big digging hole and they are cooking, offering bhoga, all Guru Varga present, all Gaudiya Math present here. And big feast and big Sankirtana. Complete morning, the day before came, and complete morning to Parikrama come, complete day is big Harikatha Kirtan, and Gurudev is saying, this dust is Mahaprabhu smearing his body, and all Gaudiya, Rupanuga, Vaishnava. Therefore this Siddharangan, not thinking is very little things. Not, here is no temple, no ashram, nothing happened, but not thinking, this opulence is everything. Opulence then is God life, but three places, three centers. Here this Braja Premis, here is present. Braja Bhakti for, Braja Seva for, all are praying here. Now here to going this way, Kaji Samadhi, and after Kaji Samadhi to walking and going Brajapattan, and Brajapattan to Shiva Sangan, Yogapit, and there to then going back Navadvip. And after tomorrow, next program, what I don't know. Mahaprabhu give any inspiration, that will be going. Yesterday I tell, like I am going one way, then another. The day before I came this Ganga Ghat, that to go Rudra. I don't know, this is there. I am trying going right side. They pulling no come this way. Unbalanced. Therefore he is calling, pulling. Therefore he came his near lotus feet. Now praying hardly. He's excuse me and excuse everybody. Forgive us. Maya with polite ties. No seva for desire. No Guru Vaishnava service for God service. Giving deep desire alas. Life will be successful. But Nam Ruchi Jivadaya Vaishnava Sevan. Harinam for giving Ruchi. And Jivadaya meanings Jiva for this kindness which is calling and pulling Jiva. No. Jivadaya meanings all Jivas, how serving in God and getting service of God. Guru Vaishnavas, therefore, helping them. Siddhar until day and night doing Kirtan. Mahaprabhu therefore very happy. Siddhar near is praying and then going. बोलो सिद्धारंगन की जय, सपरिकर महाप्रभु की जय, गौर गदाधर जीव की जय, गौर नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय, गौर शिवास पंडित की जय, गौर अद्वैत प्रभु की जय, जय सपरिकर गुरु महाराज की जय, गुरु परंपरा की जय, अनंत अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, गौर प्रेमानंदी। I don't know Krishna, I am not Krishna that time. I am now Mandin on Bhog Leela.